Hey everybody, welcome back to Runaway Roses. Today we are out camping down in Florida and it's hot and it's sunny and I got an upgrade that we really need to do. This may be something you need, so stick around. Now that we have a travel trailer, I wanted to get some wheel covers to cover the tires as we're out camping. So like right now we're actually down in Florida camping. It's hot and it's sunny and the sun's just baking on the tires. So I wanted to go ahead and get some protection, and as always, I always go to eTrailer when I look for anything for the truck or camper. Always go there first, and got some tire covers. They go from 27 to 30 inches is the size that I ordered to cover the ones on our Bigfoot. Look like they're going to work out great. You know, thing is, when you're going to leave a trailer outside in the sun, you know, over time, it can really do a lot of damage to the tires. And I'll go into a little bit further explanation on that here in just a little bit. But let me go ahead and pull them out and I'll show you how they slip on super easy, and we'll check it out. So these tire covers are nice and heavy duty. These are in white. I ordered them in white. I think you can also get them in gray if I remember correctly. And the wheels on our Bigfoot, it's a 15-inch wheel, and the tire size is 225, 75, 15. And when I measured it, if I remember correctly, it was like 28, 29 inches. So that's why I got these that go from 27 to 30 inches. And they're just super easy. They just slide on, just kind of fit right over the back, kind of tuck it around. And that's for a lot of extra protection, you know, when you're out camping. Got a lot of sun on them, or when you have your camper or trailer in storage, you know, that's really when you're gonna even need these more so than when you're just out camping. Because when you have the trailer parked up, sitting there stored for weeks or months at a time, you want to protect the tires, because the tires are super expensive to have to replace all of them. Our neighbor has been using tire covers for years on his camper and on another trailer he's got, and it has kept his tires in great shape. So just by watching his over the years, I've never used them before on our last trailer 6-7 years ago. But now that we got rid of truck campers, got a trailer, I was like, you know, these Goodyear Endurance tires, they're good quality tires, and definitely want them to last. So that's why I got these overdrive tire covers, and you know, it's just going to help, you know, save some money down the line. So these are nice. You can also, I believe, get one that covers both wheels at the same time. These are individuals. The one thing I did notice, I didn't think about before, like our X-Chalks, you know, with to use this, I can actually still put it on there, you know, and put it over the tire covers, and I suppose it would, but you know, snug it up. It would definitely help keep the tire covers on if it was super windy or something. So that's, I guess, would be one advantage. But you know, if you wanted to get the one big one that covered both of them and right over the X-Chalk, it would probably be a little bit more ideal. But either way, this will work and give a lot of protection, save us a lot of money, you know, in years to come. So it's going to be good to have these when we're out camping. And if you've watched our channel long enough, you'll know that we do keep our camper in the garage. So when we're keeping the camper in the garage at home, we're not going to need the tire covers, but sometimes we'll leave it out in the driveway for 2 or 3 weeks at a time. So in that case, I will definitely be putting tire covers on there and keep the sun from cooking the tires. Even just rain or anything, any kind of weather really, is help protect the tires. So these are, again, overdrive from eTrailer, so check them out. There'll be a link down below. We are an affiliate with eTrailer. They did not sponsor the video, but they did provide us with the tire covers, so I just want to put that out there. But eTrailer is my go-to. Anyhow, whether we get something from them or we spend a lot of money with eTrailer over the years. Why? Because they have great products, and it seems like they always just work out perfect when I get something from there. So big fan of eTrailer. Link below. Check them out. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time on Runaway Roses. Bye-bye.